I have with me George Sloan from Cornell Communications.
Yes.
He is the VP of Global Sales. George, thank you so much for joining us today, taking some time out of your busy schedule. Really
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity.
So George, to start with, why don't you share a little bit about yourself and your career's journey so far to being the VP of Global Sales?
My journey, my life, my career has been actually fairly simple. I spent the first 5 years or so working in newspapers. I was a reporter. And then I got more into sales and marketing. Now, I'm 61 now, so pretty much my career after I left newspapers has been pretty much all in different types of sales and marketing, big companies, small companies, public companies, international companies. It's helped me develop, I guess, what I'd like to call being a change agent, working with companies to drive growth pretty much through innovation and change. So, and that's what's helped me get to, to get to where I'm at today.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about Cornell Communications.
Sure.
What do you do?
Well, Cornell is a company that was founded in 1968, so next year will be our 50th anniversary. 50 years of focusing solely on the senior care industry and providing alarm systems, nurse call systems that actually help improve the safety and security of residents. Now, I joined the company just about 5 years ago. And I joined because I was persuaded by the company's owner, Jerry Johnson. Many people in the industry know JJ. He's owned the company since 1993. When I came on board, we had a mission in mind. We wanted to transform the company. We wanted it to grow, but we wanted it to grow with the industry. And as technology was becoming more and more present in the industry, we knew we had to take and develop a call system that did more than function similar to a doorbell. You push a button, okay, it triggers an alert, and someone responds. We began to work with different companies, trial and error, one thing led to the next, and we developed a call system that was software-based. What it did is, we believe, is it's really starting to change the way the industry takes a look at how it handles nurse call, and the response to nurse call. Jerry brought in a new president who had a very strong software development background, primarily with IBM. And the three of us together have been developing a new system, and it will be a managed open platform, open architecture that has APIs in it, different APIs that we've worked with customers to develop, plus it'll also have the hooks in it. So it'll be able to integrate with health records, with pharmacy systems, but also with HR systems, administrative systems, fire panels, wander management systems, smoke alarms, anything that has output, we should be able to interface with it. So then what you've got at the core of this platform is the nurse call system. Okay, we call ours Inform. We've had this app on the market for 3-4 years now. We have roughly 100 installs. That app allows you to track each step of the nurse call, and it puts a timestamp on it. So what it does is this data, this information that we're gathering, can now be used to better train your staff. It can be used to provide far greater security for your residents. We've been able to sit down with many of our customers and do case studies and document improvements in satisfaction levels, retention levels. Occupancy is a big issue, to reduce turnover of staff, all sorts of things. So we're actually now creating a platform where we're giving them data and business knowledge as opposed to just responding to a call system.
That's fascinating.
Thank you.
So obviously you've been working with CAST for a long time
Yes.
now. So what kind of impact has CAST been on Cornell Communications?
It's huge. It's very huge. What CAST is doing is it's bringing technology to the industry. every industry has an adoption rate, an adoption curve, okay? And CAST has opened so many doors with the different technologies and the things that they are bringing to the market and engaging the market and engaging in a way that a company can't really do, okay? Because it's a trade association, because it's a group, and the impact has really been significant.
I especially enjoyed all the networking opportunities that
Right.
CAST brings to the table
Yes.
too. So, so you obviously been very successful in your career. You have had global sales. You've done a lot of interesting things. There is a lot of young people in the healthcare industry that are wanting to be as successful as you are. So, what is your advice to them?
So the advice I would give is the same advice that my dad gave me when I was growing up. It's also the same advice. A few years back, I was president of our local school board, so I got to stand up and give, graduation speeches, and you wanted to keep those at about 2 to 3 minutes, right? But the advice was always, number one, do your diligence, okay? You're going to make a lot of decisions in life. You're going to have a lot of opportunities. Get as much information as you can, so when you make a decision, you're making it from a position of strength for you, and you have the knowledge to make the decision. The second thing he would always say is, embrace life. If you don't embrace life, you can't live life. Do what you love to do. Do what you're driven to do, okay? And then the third one, which is wonderful for this particular, this one defines this industry, and the third one is, be the miracle. In somebody's life, on any given day, nobody's asking you to walk on water or turn water into wine. Just be there for someone. Be the miracle for that person that day. Help them out. Extend them a helping hand. So do your diligence, embrace life, and be the miracle.
That is wonderful advice, George. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
taking time to share all of this with us. Really appreciate it. Have a good rest of the conference.
Thank you. You too. Appreciate it.